Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Measure 500 g all-purpose flour, 40 g sugar, 20 g salt, 10 g instant yeast, 300 ml cold milk, and 60 g softened butter. Sift flour into a bowl, mix sugar, salt, and yeast on one side to avoid direct contact, then rub 60 g butter into the flour with fingertips until crumbly. Add 300 ml cold milk a little at a time and fold until a shaggy dough forms. Turn out. Knead by hand for 8 to 10 minutes until smooth and elastic, then shape into a flat disc and rest 30 minutes at room temperature. Make a 250 g butter block by wrapping chilled butter and pounding it into a 16 by 20 cm rectangle, then chill to about 5 degrees C to 5 degrees C. Roll the rested dough to roughly 20 by 30 cm, place the butter block centered, fold the dough over like a letter, seal edges, and roll gently to 20 by 40 cm for the first turn. Fold into thirds, wrap and chill 30 minutes. Repeat 2 more turns, always chilling 30 minutes between turns, and on the final turn roll to 20 by 60 cm before cutting shapes. Trim edges and cut the laminated sheet into triangles about 12 cm base by 18 cm height. For a classic crescent, make a small notch in the base and roll tightly toward the tip to create tension. Place shaped croissants on parchment, brush with 1 egg mixed with 10 ml water and proof at 24 degrees C for 90 to 120 minutes until doubled and jiggly but not collapsed. Preheat oven to 200 degrees C. Bake for 18 to 22 minutes until deep golden and crisp, then cool 15 minutes on a rack before serving. Keep butter cold and avoid overproofing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.